Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This time we're going to make a group on the Alexa app on the internet. We're going to switch to the website now. Okay, we got to log into the Alexa app. Okay, click on Smart Home. Click on Groups. Click on Create Group. And hit save after you get it named and your device is checked. This is just a tutorial on how to create a group for your smart plugs. I hope you found this video educational. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and see you later.